Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric grill machine 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best product money can buy, well, the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. DMWD Household Electric Oven. Brand name, DMWD. Furnace heating household smokeless barbecue pits grill. Enjoy a variety of food at home. Product name, barbecue. Rated voltage, 220 volt. Rated frequency, 50-60 Hz. Rated power, 2000 watt. Product weight, about 2.6 kilograms. Product size, 483,085 centimeters. Pot material, iron paint, drip tray, stainless steel. Number 4. Sonifer Kitchen Appliances Barbecue. Brand name, Sonifer. Household kitchen appliances barbecue machine. Smokeless grilled meat pan contact grill. Sonifer. 220 to 240 volt stainless steel household. 2000 watts electric grill. Electric grill. Thick plates covered with non-stick coating. Grooved heating plate, 2,229 centimeters. Steel handle to lift the cover. Stainless steel body. Cover lock. Power and thermostat LED indicators fused to prevent overheating. Enrich your kitchen life, making steak at home. No complicated tools required. Non-stick coating plate, the steak is evenly heated and tastes better. Stainless steel body, steel handle to lift the cover. Number 3. Household Smokeless Barbecue. Household Smokeless Barbecue Automatic Rotary Barbecue Machine. Electric Kebab Oven. Family Smoke-Free Barbecue Commercial Automatic Rotary Kebab Indoor Electric Oven. Charcoal Fire Electric Heating Tube. Health and hygiene, less fat, fresh meat. Automatic Rotary Furnace. 30 minutes precise timing. Borax glass, a food show that you are eager to wear. It is convenient to clean up and I understand you better. Power, 1350 watt. Voltage, 220 volt. Number 2. Yunlin Multifunctional Electric Griddle. Brand name, Yunlin. Multifunctional Electric Griddle Hot Pot and Barbecue Grill all-in-one machine. Non-stick cooking surface. Voltage, 220 volt. Power, 2000 watt. Rated temperature, hot pot area 100 degrees Celsius. Barbecue area, 300 degrees Celsius. Number 1. FGHGF Smokeless Electric Oven. Brand name, FGHGF. Electric Oven Home Smokeless Barbecue Grill. Automatic Rotating Barbecue Skewer Grilled Kebab Machine Barbecue Cup. Non-stick cooking surface. Power, 1201 1500 watt. Material, carbon steel.
Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. And this video helpful to you, please remember leave a like and subscribe our channel to see more video like this and future. If you have any questions you can leave a comment down below.